Today I'm going to be teaching you how to connect your Facebook ad account to your Instagram, and in order to do that, this is the first step. You go to your Instagram, you tap on edit profile, and from this edit profile section you go to the profile information where you see the page connect or create. You tap on it, then you select continue. Like I said earlier, you must have logged in the Facebook that you set up the ad account on the same phone so that you easily see the Facebook page that you've created. It's loading. Hold on. So this is the Facebook page I'm using. It's named Lokobanti. So you tap connect. You hold on for a few seconds and that will be connected. After when that is done, can you see? We'll now move to the next step. And the next step is this. You go to this three dash by the right hand corner. You tap on it, then you look for, there you see add payment under your creator tools and control. And sometimes it can be business tools and control. If you are using a business account, then you tap on it and you see another ad account, maybe that's eventually connected to it. What you just have to tap on is switch ad account. When you tap on the switch ad account, it will load for some time and bring your Facebook profile. Then you now tap on this change Facebook ad account and it's going to show the one that you just created. If you see a ad account that is written on your like Facebook profile name, I strongly suggest you do not use it. Why? Is because you cannot tell the day that Facebook is going to have their period, and once they have their period, is going to be a lot of work to recover the ad account back. So always use an external ad account that you create to run ads, be it on your IG or your Facebook. Do not use the main one that is connected to your Facebook profile, because when they disable that and you did not know on time, and I think there is a 180 days timeline to review it. And even if you review it and you did not review it properly, your account will get disabled permanently. So here's the first teaching I will be showing in the next video on how to fund the ad account and how to run ad with it on IG, Ad Manager, and the Ad Manager on the laptop section. So stay tuned and follow for more.